Structure of heart. This is a structure of heart in which here is a superior vena cava, here is a inferior vena cava, and the deoxygenated blood from these veins enter into the right atrium. This is the right atrium, and when the blood reaches here, it moves down into the right ventricle. When this valve, which is known as tricuspid valve, this is open, blood moves from the right atrium into the right ventricle. When blood pushes down into a right ventricle, it moves into the pulmonary artery. ये है हमारे पास पल्मोनरी आर्टरी. जैसे ही ब्लड इसमें आएगा तो ये जाएगी पल्मोनरी आर्टरी ब्लड लेके इनटू द लंग्स फॉर मेकिंग इट ऑक्सीजनेटेड. ठीक है. अब फिर वो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड हमारे पास इस पल्मोनरी वेन के थ्रू कहाँ पे जाएगा, आ जाएगा इनटू द लेफ्ट एट्रियम. And when it is moved into the left atrium, here is also a valve which is known as mitral valve or a bicuspid valve. When these bicuspid valves get open, the blood from the left ventricle is moved into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, it is moved through aortic valve. This aortic valve move into the aorta, and blood when come into the aorta, and then this aorta distribute through these branches into all over the body. So this is the structure of the heart. Hopefully you like it. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.